Hi, good afternoon. This is Vikas Sethi. We are running here Professionals Den as well as Y English. These are two ventures which we have started in this city, and these are very wonderful products which we are bringing here in the city. And we know that there are lots of people who are very much worried about their careers, especially the parents. We receive a lot of queries from the parents as well that where my child can go, what kind of career I can select for my child. So we are here to resolve those queries, and then in addition to that, we are also raising their personalities. They are all inhibitions which are they are stopping them. Apart from them, I would like to add here that we plan so many things in our career, right? Right from the very beginning, we are very much passionate about certain careers that in this line or that line I want to go. But the main thing is that after 10 to 15 years, when you're planning something, where exactly your career will be going, what will be the market scenario, how the things will be changing, this is not known to anybody. So here comes our role. We need to tell the people that this is the market, here is the investment, here the companies are coming. So these kind of things are getting to be generated. These are the employments and what will be the salaries. These all things are the database things which are not available in any scenario. You go to Google, you go to any internet scenario, but you will not be finding that kind of relevant information. So here what we do that we do the data research, we do this research on the basis of patterns of the data, how the jobs were getting created, how the investment was coming in, which technologies the investment was going on, and what kind of skill set in those areas you need to have. This is one part which we do, that is by the professionals then, that is our banner here. Definitely will be making path for you, and please give your queries to us, and we are available on this number 9416985222. You can WhatsApp to us as well. In addition to that, we have seen another major thing which is lacking in this place, that people are not so confident about their English skills, language skills. They are speakers, but they are not good public speakers. So we try to raise their confidence. We try to make them more enthused about speaking on their topics before the public. They can negotiate well. They can join companies. They are groomed here. They are trained here so as to do so many things. Third thing, which is vertical of ours, that is Y English. People usually call here it as like Yanglish. Yes, it's meant for the young people as well. And what we're trying to do is that we are trying to make their English right, from the basics very strong, so that they can write any kind of English, whether it is IELTS exam, whether it is GRE, PTE, or TOEFL, so that they should have a good vocab, at least of 1,000 uncommon words. These all things matter a lot when he's writing, or any student is looking to write some kind of exam. He should be very confident about exactly the topic is, how the format should be, how the pattern should be, where the vocab is to be used, and what kind of mistakes are to be ignored. These are very, very major things. So please come up to us, come with all the queries you're having, and we'll be trying to resolve your everything which can make you more confident, and that can create a good scenario for you in terms of employment or immigration. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. We are very much thankful to you. So again, we are saying that we are here with the two things. One is the professional, then you are looking for any query with the career aspect, we are here. Second is your English part. We'll be training you for all the basic aspects so as to take those aspects toward the advanced writing and speaking skills. And the number is 9416985222. You can catch us on www.yenglish.in. We are also having the Facebook page for the Y English as well. You can find all daily updates regarding vocab on that. Regarding our career option, which we suggest to the people, we are available on www.professionalsden.com. So thank you very much.